Okay, let's say that you were a high income earner or a business owner and you wanted to put $50,000 a year into a policy. Well, what if I told you that you could triple your money without any risk of losing your money in the stock market and without any income tax? So even if our stupid ass government doubles tax rates in the future, you wouldn't have to pay a dime. Let's check it out. I'm going to show you. You mentioned that you had a 20-year time horizon. So let's say, for example, you're 45 years old, you wanted to retire at 65. We're going to use the Strategic Accumulator, IUL, from a very well-known IUL company. Minimum non-MEC death benefit, $650,000 of coverage. And we're going to be pretty conservative, and we're going to look at projections, assuming just a 5.95% average, putting in $50,000 a year, earning 5.95% on your cash value on average, retiring at the age of 65 and starting to take, there it is, folks, $150,000 tax-free with no risk of losing your principal, and this will last you the rest of your life. We actually stress test it by running it out to age 120. No offense, you're probably not going to live that long, but let's say that you died at age 85. Let's look at your totals. What this means is that you saved $1 million total into your policy, and you took out a total at this point of $3 million without any risk of losing your principal and completely income tax free. Remember that you are borrowing against your death benefit, and so if you passed away at age 80, we're going to scroll down right over here, and you're going to see that if you died at age 85, you would still have $901,000 that's going to get paid to your beneficiaries, completely tax-free, to create tax-free generational wealth. And don't forget, unlike the garbage traditional methods of locking up all your money in a 401k where you can't use it, you're able to borrow against the equity in this policy as you grow the equity. We're talking about hundreds of thousands of tax-free dollars that you can access to start a business, to buy real estate, to invest when you have opportunities. This is why Cash Value Life Insurance is the most amazing tool that's available, because you can fund your own personal pension where you don't have any risk of losing your money in the stock market. You can do it completely off the radar screen of the IRS for income tax purposes, and you don't give up control of your money. You still have access to it, so you can borrow against your policy to invest in other cash flowing, wealth producing assets. And then when you die, you still leave a tax-free windfall to your family to create generational wealth.